Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change video background in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open CapCut. Click on the plus to create a new project. The next step is to import the video background that you want to change. I want this video as my new background, so I imported that. Now we want to add our main video. Click on overlay. Then add overlay. Add your main video with the subject. When you add the second video, zoom it a little bit to match the frame. Then scroll down here until you find a cutout button. Then tap on remove background. And just wait a couple of seconds until CapCut removes the background of our video. And here is our final video with the replaced background. Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.